Hey guys, it's Hairstylist Heather, and this is going to be my 11-week pregnancy vlog. And this one is more on the later side. I know I said I was going to do it within the 11th week. I'm actually going to be 12 weeks tomorrow, but I like to do that sort of like at the end of the 11th week, so I could tell you like what's been going on within this 11th week of pregnancy. And I actually went to the doctor yesterday. So I just wanted to wait until I got to the doctor's appointment so I could talk about that in this pregnancy vlog and everything like that. So I'm really excited about this pregnancy vlog because I do have a lot more stuff going on, and it's just getting more fun because there's like, it's getting closer. It's still just like unbelievable to think. I mean, even though I'll be 12 weeks tomorrow, and then in another week I'll be 13 weeks, and I'll be in my second trimester already. That is just so crazy. So anyways, I guess I'll start talking about my doctor's appointment, because I was really excited to go to my doctor's appointment, if you've seen in my daily vlog, because I really wanted to hear the heartbeat. I was really looking forward to seeing if it was high or low, because they say if it's low it's a boy, and if it's a girl it's high. And his the first time it was really low, it was like in the 130s, and then the next one was really high, it was 160. So then I was like confused about that, and just because I thought it would sway me one way or the other, if I kind of knew that, even though I haven't been that sick, and this pregnancy has already been so much different than Kinsley's. But you never know, because I hear different stories every day with being a hairstylist that their seconds, they were way different and still had a girl or had two boys, you know, so you just never know, really. But in my situation in my family, a lot of times you're not as sick with boys, and I haven't been as sick, but I don't want to get my hopes up or anything. You know, if it is another girl, I would love to have another girl, and Kinsley and her can grow up together and play, and at the same time, if we had a boy, it'd be really cool to have a boy and a girl. So either way, we'll be happy. But so they didn't do that this time because she had said it was too early to listen to the heartbeat. So that's fine. I thought that we had with Kinsley on that next appointment had listened to her heartbeat, but you know, and that way it's kind of like you're checking on the baby and listening to the heartbeat and making sure, you know, it sounds really good and everything. Then it just would put me at ease a little bit more too, obviously. And then now when they made my next appointment, they put me back another week. So it's going to be 5 weeks till I get back to the doctor. And so it's just even longer to wait to hear about the heartbeat. And then the next appointment, so in probably 9 weeks, we'll find out what we're having. That's what I'm figuring, 8 to 9 weeks from now. So it's going to be really close to 20 weeks. And I've already calculated it's like May 20th, or like the middle of May, we'll probably find out what we're having. We're just really excited about that, and want to do like a gender party and stuff like that. So we're trying to think about that in the future, of course, and all that kind of stuff. Another thing, I was 114, so I gained 2 pounds already. I had to tell her the whole story about Kinsley's birth, and how like we just went over all kind of that kind of stuff, and so like my history, and so what we thought this pregnancy would be like. And you know, I told her how Kinsley was early. She came early at 36 weeks and 4 days, and she was 8 pounds 4 ounces. She was big and she was early, and a lot of times we've been thinking that, you know, they just had my due date off, or somehow she just grew faster, because I do take a lot of vitamins, like my prenatal vitamins plus my Relive shakes that I take, and just all those vitamins. It was a lot. And so, but she said that really she probably thinks that no, the doctor didn't have my due date off, because normally they're only off by like a week or so, and that was like almost 3 weeks and something days early. And so she thinks I'm just gonna have big babies probably, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, I hope this baby isn't that big, but or not over that big anyways. But she said, so if I get close to if I get over 36 weeks, she wants to do ultrasound and see how the baby's doing, and maybe looks good if it is getting bigger or whatnot, and just kind of go from there. Yeah, so just talking about all that kind of stuff is just so crazy to think that in probably September is when I'm going to have this baby sometime. And that it's coming, and it's so crazy to think about. But that'll just be a whole nother journey and everything. And I can't wait to go tour like this hospital. I've been there to see friends and family, but I want to go see everything and they don't have nursery at this hospital. They had one that at our other hospital because I'm in a new hospital this time. But that'll be a whole nother thing to have the baby in the room like the whole time with you and everything. So as far as like the baby goes right now, it's about the size of like a lemon. So not a lemon, a lime. It's about the size. I didn't know it's about the same size, but like a lime, that's about the size they'll be right now. Still crazy to think about. And it's starting to open its hands and stuff, and their hands and feet are looking more like real hands and feet and not like webbed or whatever. And the baby's already moving around and kicking and stuff, but you obviously can't feel a whole lot, even though I do feel like bubbles sometimes. And I know that's way early to feel anything, but I can't wait to see, like I've forgotten like what it felt like for Kinsley to kick, so I can't wait to feel how this baby feels like kicking and stuff. I've been feeling fine. I've still been feeling okay. I feel nauseous a little bit in the morning, but not really at all. I've been eating cereal like I normally would do, or like grits or something. Like before I was having to drink Sprite and have like toast, crackers, like a waffle or something simple like that. But now I'm kind of going back to my regular routine. Stretch marks, and I had a question about that in one of my videos. I don't get stretch marks. I didn't get stretch marks with Kinsley if you look back at my videos. I don't know, I could this time randomly, but usually it goes in your history. My grandma or my mom did not have stretch marks at all, so therefore I probably won't have stretch marks. Kinsley won't have stretch marks or whatever, but so that's just something to be very thankful for. But I still use lotions on my belly. It's like the butter, I don't know, the butter lotion or something like that I use usually. My boobies have not been as sore as they were at the beginning. I've been trying, y'all know, well, you'll probably know, I love sweet tea. I've been trying to drink and make decaf sweet tea, even though it still has the sugar in it, and try not to put as much sugar. Joel keeps getting on to me about my eating and all that kind of stuff. And try to drink more water. Yeah, I really wish that I would have filmed from the beginning with Kinsley so that I could look back on like what all was going on this week, you know, with Kinsley, so that I could look back on it. And I can't wait once I get caught up to 24 weeks is when I started. Then I'll start having those videos at the end of these videos so that you can look back and see what all was going on with Kinsley. Like, I just wonder if it's like the same stuff or different stuff. And I would have loved to see the videos at the beginning with Kinsley where I was like sick, and I'd probably be complaining more that I was sick and stuff, because I was really sick with her at the beginning and like really getting sick. And I've not gotten sick at all this time, so that's why it's so different. And so I would just really like to see, Molly, are you in the way? I would just really like to see how different I would have acted and different things that were going on. So that's about it for this look. I'm going to do my belly real quick to show y'all. My belly has gotten huge, I feel like, really big. So here we go. This is my belly with my shirt on. And you can already see like how much my stomach is like sticking out now. And all. It's so crazy. It's hard to turn around like this one. This one hurts. So, there we go. So there's the it's really getting out there now. It's so crazy. Can't believe my belly is sticking out this much at all, guys. Okay, measure me around. I told y'all I was getting big. I'm at like 32 and a half. I don't know if it's hard to see. 32 and a half. Oh no, I do that every time. I want to do it at the one. Okay, let me start over. I'm going to say I'm closer to 32. Let's see. Yeah, so if you can see, I told y'all I was getting big. 32, close to 32 inches right there. maybe 31.5 to 32 inches right there. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Really there. There's that baby. Alright, so I was getting out there, and I did just eat dinner too, so, but it is ticking away out there now, but I'm really super excited about this pregnancy, and I can't wait. I just want to know what happens so we can start fixing up the room. We have an extra room, and that's where the baby's going to be. Right now it's like our study room, extra playroom, and like Joel's closet is in there, but Joel's going to have to move his clothes and put baby's clothes in his closet, and then we'll start fixing it up. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And then Joel's probably going to be studying in our bedroom, like to the side. We're going to like rearrange our bedroom or something like that. So we'll see. But thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be 12 weeks next time I see you guys. Well, besides the daily vlogs, you see us. But I hope that y'all are having a great day. And y'all stay tuned for more videos and check out our daily vlogs if you like to see what we do in our everyday life. And subscribe and comment and like. And check out StyleSaver.com. And we'll see you next time. Bye.